Let's take a look at how to use the climate control or the heating and air conditioning on the Mazda CX-5. So firstly, we've got two different knobs for the driver's side and passenger side, and we can control these independently. So we can set a different temperature for both sides. We can also press this sync button to engage this, and then the driver's side knob is going to control the temperature for both. Now we want to press this one for auto. It's going to automatically adjust the fan speed to maintain the temperatures that we've set. We can also switch on and off the air conditioning using the AC button here. Now we can also take manual control of the fan speed if you want to really ramp it up. You can press this, for example, to increase the speed. You can see this little readout is going to tell us the speed. Or we can tone it down with this button here. Now we can also adjust where the air is going to come out. If we want it just at the sort of face level, we can keep it here. We can press this button to switch to the floor level and face level, or just the floor. We can also do this setting. It's going to have the floor and the front defroster to keep the windshield clear of condensation. Now, if it's very humid and there's going to be a lot of condensation on the front, we can also switch to only the front defroster with this special button here. And that's great if you're like driving in snow or something, you need to keep the front window clear. There's also the electronic defroster on the rear. That's what this button is going to do. Now we can also adjust here whether we want air flowing in from outside. This is a little arrow showing air going into the car, or we can switch that and recirculate the air. I don't believe we can do that with the defroster, so let's switch here. We can recirculate the air inside the car there with this button, or again switch to having fresh air come in from outside. If you're stuck behind like a stinky truck, you can switch over to that, for example. Now the final thing we'll look at here is we can do the seat warmers for either side, the driver's side and or passenger side, and we've got three different levels. So the three dots is full, and then medium, and then low, and then back off again, and we can adjust that on either side. And that's how we adjust the climate control on the Mazda CX-5.